Hello friends, welcome with Rcare. We have Oishi with us, and she would be guiding you that how you need to appear for the test days for the students who have not appeared for the test days yet, because it is compulsory for all the bachelor students who wanted to go to Germany. And secondly, she would be helping you out that how you should prepare for aufnahmeprüfung examination, because she would be appearing for 8 to 10 aufnahmes. Plus she has done B2 and C1 from India, and I think she is the right person who can just let you know about all these things. So let's start with the test days. But Oishi, before starting, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, hi, I'm Oishi, and I'll be going to Germany this year for my Studienkolleg Aufnahmeprüfung. So I have done German till C1 in India, and I gave my 12th examination last year, and yeah, that's it.
So you are going for Studienkolleg,
Yeah.
right? So you appeared for the Aufnahme, or you appeared for the test days.
Yeah.
So how you prepared yourself, which all books you took, and what was the roadmap you followed?
So first of all, I checked which test days module the university needs for my subject, and at first I was convinced that it was the engineering module. However, that's not true. In some engineering subjects you can also do the computer science
modules,
and that is way easier and also more practical to do it that way. So for the preparation, I just refer to the books which are available on Amazon for test days, and I also looked at some because it is mostly for the core test, especially it is mostly just an IQ test. So not much preparation is needed. However, your maths needs to be quite strong so that you can finish the questions in time.
So a lot of students contact us and say, okay, we do not have maths. So I don't think so it's very logical to, if you don't have maths, then also you can clear up the paper, right?
Yeah.
And apart from this, the test days sample papers are also given on the website of the test days website, where you can find all the relevant information. Can you please describe the two modules and the time which is required during test days to complete the paper?
So there were three modules.
There were three modules, yeah.
One was of first there was a core test which was I think 3 hours.
Yes, and it's for 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
And this core test is common for all the students, whether it is commerce, it is mathematics, or it is biology. So the core test will be common for everyone. Yeah.
A core test basically just requires mental maths and quick logical thinking. That's all.
And then the specialization appears. So if it is engineering, it's going to be different. If it is computer science, it's going to be different. If it is economics, it's going to be different, right? Okay, so this is a brief idea about the test days. I would be making the separate video for the students who wanted to go for Student for or who wanted to go for engineering for test days. Then you can just you can see that video and we can discuss about the questions and everything. Let's come to the second topic, which is about the preparation of the Aufnahme. So because you're appearing for like 10-12 Aufnahmes, so how you prepared from India, which all books you preferred, and especially because it consists of German, 90%. So what is your feedback altogether?
Okay, so before the Aufnahme, I completed my C1 German, which helped a lot, like before opening up Aufnahme test papers. And after completing C1, I saw that the Aufnahme papers were way easier, especially in the German part, because in some universities now the Aufnahmeprüfung papers are different from university to university.
Yes.
However, Licken test or text, or like in which you have fill in the blanks, basically that kind of exercise is very commonly seen in most of the papers. So that every university has a sample Aufnahmeprüfung on their website, which helps to know what kind of paper pattern you can expect. And also when your German level is higher than what the university requirement is, then you can understand the paper way better.
Very better. And there's a question which generally the people ask, if you wanted to appear for the Aufnahme in Germany, do you need to follow the different patterns? No, you do not need to follow the different pattern. It is the same pattern, and more or less it is more based on your vocabulary. If you have a strong vocabulary, then it is okay. If you do not have a strong vocabulary, it's going to be really complicated. So the first, you have to focus on the vocabulary, which is a very important part. Secondly, whichever Aufnahme you are going, you can just follow the books of the Aufnahme, which is B1 and B2. The link of the books I would be sharing in this description. Apart from this, what she said, that you need to go on the website of the university. There the pattern would be given and the sample papers would also be given. You can just go through it, and I think that is more than sufficient, right? And apart from this, would you like to say something else?
No, also mathematics, the mathematics part in every Aufnahme is more or less the same.
Yes.
There is a difference in the level of the questions which comes from university to university. However, if your basic maths is strong enough, then you are good to go. However, the mathematical terms in German must be memorized.
Yes. So you don't have to worry. Okay, there are students who are from biology background. They say we do not have maths in 12th, so it's going to be difficult. No, it is not, because the maths which you're going to face would be based on your physics maths. You know, the maths which you're using in the physics, that's a basic maths, right? And I have created the different video where all the topics which have been there in the mathematics is also there. I would be sharing the link of that video in the description, which you can see and explore yourself. But believe me, maths is not so tough. You do not need to prepare for the maths as much as you need to prepare for the German. All right. So I think a lot of questions and the doubts would be cleared from this video. If you have any question related to Germany, related to Ausbildung, related to any course, we would be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video.